train. So this is actually the second part 2. We have to get the video off the tripod for part 1, so this is probably gonna be uploaded before part 2. But there's train coming. We're in Folkston, Georgia. This part 2. My dad had to film the other one. There's virtual Railfanning camera right over there. And this is the second train we've seen today. We're going to see.
Over here. Wow.
I'll film it from right here. He's gonna honk loud actually, so.
Man, they gave me a hard check. Dang it!
We're in Folkston, Georgia. How many engines? Oh my gosh! There's a 4-engine. I think that's the first time I've ever seen a 4-engine train, and it looks like a grain train. That's the first time I've ever seen a 4-engine train. I've seen 3, but not 4. This is probably a long one. Oh, and this is my friend I met, Jason. Say hi.
What's up, man?
Go sub to him. JJ Birch. And then there's a virtual Railfanning camera over there. And I got on that earlier, which was really cool. I made a sign for it, but.
Shout out to us, like, comment, subscribe.
Yep.
Link in the description below. And come here in Folkston, Georgia.
Yep.
Call now.
The last video didn't go right on my iPad. I did film the whole train, and I wasn't managing it. My dad was, and that's oh my gosh, that's so long. It's so long. And so I got it on the tripod because my dad's phone didn't work correctly. So. There's a lot of Norfolk Southerns in Jacksonville, but also CSX. This is pretty much a CSX train. I can tell a lot of these cars are CSX.
Wow, maybe. Man, I hear every time, like.
Yeah.
You know, it's.
Jason loves trains just like me. How long is it? Oh, I think I see the end all the way down there, but because it was a curve, but it's still pretty long to go.
Yep.
It's a yellow signal. I don't know if that's until the. Oh, look! There's an engine in the middle. I've never seen that before. That's the first time I've ever seen that. I've never seen an engine in the middle. Woo! I've never seen an engine in the middle before. It's still going. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's a lot longer. 5-engine train. I've never seen an engine in the middle before. And I've seen it one time at night, but it was in the back. That's something you only see on the virtual Railfan. So. How long is this train? Looks like some freight cars down there, maybe. It's a yellow. There's 2 yellow signals down there. I think another one might be coming, Jason, but I don't know from which way. Maybe later I'll be able to film that. We literally have been here for like 3 hours, and we just saw our first train about 30 minutes ago, and then we saw another one. But there's a lot in the noon, I heard.
I hear with digital engine.
Yeah. Holy, this is a long train. I've been.
Get my heartbeat. Heart attack all the time. Sound effects just scares me a little bit. I'm getting a little bit scared of this.
CSX graffiti.
Yes.
And here's some shorter hoppers coming up right here. So maybe, so this looks like it's actually a manifest because, oh, I love the clicking of these. These ones sound so much better. I love the clicking and whatever of it. Yeah, that sounds way better than the other one. Yeah. Imagine we saw a train derail. It's still going. Look how far. It's still going. Oh my gosh. I can see why. There's no way it doesn't have engines on the back, right? It might. Is that the end? I can't tell. I think I see the end. Yeah, it's the end. This is a very long and this is a very extremely long train though. Looks like, oh look, NS, we love NS. Please, I want to see an NS train, not a CSX. And the one with an open door, okay. A tank car, this is a manifest now, I think. Yeah, I think this is now considered a manifest. There's probably, is there engines on the back? Something tells me there is. Oh my gosh, I'm so uploading this. Yeah, there's the end. I don't know if, it looks like there might be an engine on the back, but it's hard to tell. Oh yeah, there's one with an open door. Here comes the end, guys, but we still got a little bit of train left. Yeah, there's no engine on the back, I don't think. Oh, there's a KCS I just saw over there, Kansas City Southern. Imagine we saw another one, because there's still a yellow light, which means another one could come soon. Okay, I'm going to back up, because the crossing's going to go up in a minute. A-okay.
That's the end of it.
Crossing's going to go up. What? There's supposed to be a sound when they go up. Now. Oh, there goes the train. If I see another one, which I feel like I will, I'll get to you guys. Bye.